Once in a while, a seller reimagines a space like they're never leaving. New roof, new impact windows, new floors, kitchen, bathrooms, the list goes on. New everything, inside and out. They went zero compromise in here. Taj Mahal quartzite everywhere. Thermador appliances, dual Zephyr wine fridges, huge wet bar, modern bathrooms, even the garage gets its own AC and new epoxy floor. Step outside and you're in full resort mode. Brand new pool, hot spring jacuzzi, and a screen lanai that practically demands a cocktail in your hand. Oh yeah, you get beach and river access right in the neighborhood. I'm Jarrett Bass with the Reynolds team. Call me before someone else buys your dream home.